How you doing, everyone? Welcome back. Oh boy, what a beautiful Sunday. Yes, sir. What a beautiful Sunday, everyone. How you doing? Welcome. This is Oscar. And well, huge week we had. Huge week. We had this ending of the week. Wow. You're seeing on the screen right now the 7 day percentage change. Incredible, everyone. Incredible. Cannot really say it once again. We're gonna go over a lot of things in this live. How you doing, Spell? Howdy, man. Like we had a huge run with Cardano. We had a huge run with Bitcoin, even Ethereum. What I want to go over today, guys, is exactly those cryptocurrencies that we're making money, a lot of money, of course. And you saw on the thumbnail, AM token flat. We hate to see it, right? We hate to see AM token flat, but it is what it is. Who is selling from here? Come on, we want to kick you out of the ship. We don't need paper hands. Who is selling their AM token? Don't do it. I'm just kidding, guys. No financial advisor here. So for entertainment purposes only. How you doing, everyone? Welcome to the channel. This is Oscar Ramos, and we're gonna go over some fantastic things today. We're gonna have fun. That's the purpose of a live stream, right? It's relaxed. It's Sunday even. It's like 7 p.m. Central, so don't worry. We're just gonna have a good time. I do have a surprise for all of you watching. It's cool. I've been working on this for all my Patreon members. I'm gonna give you this as a token of appreciation. Everyone who is subscribed to my Patreon page can talk to me on Discord, and I give them oftentimes free Zoom conversations. And I have one pending for this month, so I'm always trying to create good perks for my Patreon members, guys. So if you're interested, there's my link down below. But yeah, I have a little surprise for them. And today, as you're seeing on the thumbnail, huge week for our cryptocurrency, huge week for, I've owned most of these cryptocurrencies that had a great run today, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano. And what we saw this week was Cardano taking number 3 ranked by market capitalization. So what else can I say? That I'm very happy to see the reward of owning this awesome cryptocurrency in my possession and finally see it grow. But anyway, everyone, welcome to the channel. We'll see who we have in on the live. We have Spell, Philosophy of Hustle. How you doing? Bergie, Kryptonire, Gabriel. How you doing, buddy? Jose, Rico, Spell, and much more. There you go. Of course, Spell. We got some a cool surprise for all my Patreon members. I'm always thinking of you guys. Hey, Harry. So if you are just joining the live, if you want to see more and experience more videos from me, guys, this coming week, well, you might want to consider subscribing and turning on those notification bells, please. And if you don't mind, go ahead and like this video so the YouTube algorithm can recommend us to more people. So how's the audio? Tell me, please. I already have my iPad here ready. Okay, yeah, the audio is good. There you go. Alrighty, guys. So great. Oh, hey, New York in the house. That's awesome. How you doing, Chris, Manuel, Ryan? Okay, so wow, what a good Sunday. Came back from church, came back from family, friends, everything. Finally down to my great place of cryptocurrency. And plus, guess what, guys? I forgot my phone at home. So I was phoneless for like 5 hours. I'm like, oh no. So before even getting into the conversation I have for you, I see how much I depend from my phone, especially because we are crypto investors. So I'm like, wow, like if I don't have my phone with me for like 10 minutes, I need to be checking something, right? So just putting that out of the way. Alrighty, everyone. So first and foremost, I just want to say that wow, like I've been holding Cardano. If you watch my my video this week talking about Cardano, I've been holding Cardano ever since like May. It finally is paying off. Finally is paying off. Here's my portfolio, everyone. I'm gonna go ahead and show you this. My portfolio right now is looking at $4,000. It's fantastic. I mean, I cannot even believe it how much it's been growing so far. That's my total Cardano, everyone. For some people who always ask me, I have almost 1,000 Cardanos. I have 1,000 Algorans. So you see the difference, right? From Algorand to Cardano, it's huge. Ethereum, and I have AMP token and Ethereum too. That is what we're looking right now on Coinbase. And what I want to go over today is Cardano and AMP token. And if we have more time, I'm gonna go over more cryptocurrencies, but of course always to the Q&As as well. Hey team, Vincent, Puerto Rico, California in the house. There you go, in XRP. Nice. So, well, everyone, what I also want to go over is the Bitcoin. I think this is what I want to start things off. The Bitcoin stock to flow model. And you can see the title of the live stream right now, and it is "Don't Ignore Crypto, New Heights Soon." So what do I mean with that? Well, everyone, if you've been watching my videos, you know that I tend to be a conservative price prediction investor. Like, I don't really go over saying AMP token will be $1 in 2 years or so. I mean, no, that's not me. What I'm seeing right now is what I wanted to see for such a long time. The rally, the hopefully second coming of a bull market for cryptocurrencies. And this, everyone, if you're watching this and have no idea what is this, well, this is the Bitcoin stock to flow model, which means that the light blue linear line that you're seeing here is what the model predicts Bitcoin will be. And the dotted colorful graph is what the actual price of Bitcoin is. So what you're seeing right now, it's a steady upward incline, right? Climb, a steady upward climb, and that's fantastic. That tells you that cryptocurrency and Bitcoin are here to stay, one, and that tells you that cryptocurrency and Bitcoin are going to change our lives forever. And you and I, you who are watching me right now, you can do way more interesting things right now. We're really early. And today I'm gonna go over some AMP token news as well. But why am I very happy to present to you the Bitcoin stock to flow model? Well, earlier today, our great friends from the AMP token community, I follow them very closely, David Herrera, a friend of mine, he posted this, that Walmart is hiring a crypto expert. Can you believe it? One of my friends here on Patreon posted this on the Discord, and I'm like, perfect timing. Perfect timing, because if you didn't know, Amazon crypto position. Amazon has its own, and here it is, I'm not lying, digital currency and blockchain product lead. And they still have the position here online. Now, let's go ahead and click here. Where should we go? Is this going to give us the Walmart position, which I hope? Yes, it is. Here it is. USA Senior Directors number 2, Corporate Development and Integration. This is a digital currency and cryptocurrency product lead. So take a look at this, everyone. The two of them now are having a standard type cryptocurrency job for blockchain. Can you believe this, everyone? So Walmart and Amazon. Going back to the Bitcoin stock to flow model, it's happening, everyone. It's happening. What we wanted to see for such a long time, it's happening. And what is happening? The private sector is taking a step forward for blockchain. And that, everyone, makes things more mainstream. That gives us, and that gives the cryptocurrency space publicity in a good way. That's what we needed. Because if we want AMP token to be used and increase in the long term or short term, well, more people have to know it, right? Not only us, because we are just a very small fraction of the total population of the United States and Canada where Flexa network operates. So that is one thing. Very happy. And thank you to the AMP token community that helps posting all these updates, because we're sometimes busy, but this is incredible. Why? Because, I mean, that just tells you, take a look at this. That just tells you that a huge business like Walmart may in the future adopt some type of cryptocurrency transaction ecosystem. Could that be Flexa? Possibly. Could that be something else? Could they create their own transaction ecosystem? Probably, because it's Amazon, Walmart in this case. So extremely happy, everyone. This is just news out of the get-go to put them out of the way. We knew about Amazon and this one. This, in a way, gave AMP token a lot of hope because, I mean, you remember back in the day when BitBoy Crypto said something about Al Gore and an AMP token. I'm not going to get into that, but what I'm saying is good news are coming, and this is exactly what I wanted to see. When the governments take a long time, and it's disgusting to see how long they take, finally the private sector is doing this. And guess what? If Amazon is doing it, if Walmart is doing it, who out there, which other companies out there will start stepping stepping up doing this? So many. I'm very happy to see that. So now you know, guys, and we have to celebrate. We have to celebrate for sure. Spellbound, what's crazy is Amazon and Walmart taking so long to get into crypto. Spellbound, I mean, well, I think it's not an easy decision, you know? It's not an easy decision. Like, you are the CEO of a company and you know that the United States is not ready to fully adopt cryptocurrency. So the fact that this is coming right now on baby steps is precisely what we need. So crypto investors out here, like, guys, do you guys see this? I mean, I'm gonna use this graph. I think it's gonna help you better understand. Do you see this huge rally we had this past week? Well, I mean, the two previous weeks. This gave Cardano ADA from 5th market capitalization to 3rd, passing Tether and BNB. So super excited. Couldn't say any more, guys, but wow. And I'm very happy that I had at least some couple hundreds Cardano ADAs. What do you guys think? Hey, I see you. Welcome. I have more people in the chat. We're going to be talking about AMP token in this live stream. Yes. And by the end of the live, every question you have, go for it. Go wild. And I'm going to go ahead and answer that. Cody Venet, welcome to a member. How's it going, Cody? Welcome. Any question, let me know, buddy. But yeah, just going back to that once again, we have these huge companies putting this up, and I'm pretty sure, everyone, that we have even more companies out there, but we still haven't heard from them. So we'll get to those very soon. That's the idea. So anyway, everyone, here is the surprise I want to give to now that we got more people here. So I'm going to show you right now what I have prepared for my Patreon members. And as you know, I always drink water, so bear with me. If you guys are watching the live and you're liking it, please go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on those notification bells. There's all my links down below in the description for your free Bitcoin, free stocks. There's my merch store. If you want to buy some shirts and go ahead and support the Empire. There's my Patreon page if you want to become a member, and much more. Good evening, Ivan. How you doing? Welcome. Vincent, do you think ACH is for real? I don't think so. It's for real. The fact is, the Coinbase effect happened, Vincent. And when the Coinbase effect happens, early stages is going to look very scammy, right? That's what I said at the very beginning, because I saw the price from 2 cents all the way to 20 cents. But now it's already consolidated. And I'm going to go over the ACH price. Don't even worry. Alrighty. So here it is. Bam! Welcome to the phase number 1 of my crypto tracker. The crypto tracker, everyone, is what I have prepared for me as an investor, because oftentimes people ask me about my positions, so I want to have everything here with the strategy and with the current price and just some of my positions. I want to add way more different features, and this is something I'm going to have ready and done for, like I said, my patrons. So we have here the broker. I own this a little bit of Bitcoin, and I have some Algorand as well, and I have some AMP token. So you're seeing right now I have different brokers. If I go ahead and start using the colors here on Excel, you're going to see that typically I have Coinbase the most, then I have Coinbase Wallet, and they all serve a different purpose. They all serve a different purpose. And for this one, I'm going to use this red. Yes, there you have it. So we have this, and you may wonder, how do you get the current price? Is it something that you type in every single time that you log in? Absolutely not. Welcome to my crypto prices. So these prices are coming from CoinMarketCap. So this what we see right here on the website. I just go ahead and link each price, and everything is going to be prepared for you. And then on the crypto tracker, boom. Once I go to data and then I refresh, I get new prices and everything's set in stone. Santa Fe 99, welcome to the chat. Thank you for the first super chat. Oscar Ramos, there are a few AMP owners wondering why AMP is not moving much, but in my case, even today, I was buying more AMP coin while it's cheap. Same here, man. I want to get to 100,000, of course. Thank you so much, Santa Fe, for the super chat. Appreciate it, buddy. Welcome to the live. So yes, AMP token, I'm going to get there to AMP token. And you guys are seeing right now on the screen that I have AMP token. I have a lot of it. And I want to get to 100,000. And it's part of my portfolio. Like here's AMP token, and then AMP token. So it's not finished yet, but I just wanted to give you a nice glimpse of how it looks like. And you guys can see my position. Pretty much putting all my cryptocurrency total is above $13,000. And you know that when it comes to cryptocurrency, $13,000, they change by the day. So today I have 13,000, to tomorrow I may have 15,000, then the next week I may come back down to 12,000. So just letting you know. But in a way, this is something cool. I'm working on this. So the plan is every single time I come to the live, I show you guys my latest moves, and I'm going to give this in token of appreciation to all my viewers and my watchers here on the live stream, so you guys see exactly what I'm doing. And if you want to actually get access to this portfolio or the Excel file, I'm going to give it to my Patreon members as a token. Alrighty. There you go. So be patient. Adoption is growing like mad. There you go, Cody. Absolutely. So I think that's the best way to review cryptocurrency at this time, everyone. That adoption is happening. There was an AMP token live this week. If you go to YouTube and you type AMP token, it's going to be the first one. It did really well. So it's happening, everyone. And I know, of course, AMP token, our beauty AMP token. I'm going to go back here. I'm going to show you here. And bam, we're still in that resistance and support level ever since the beginning of August 2021. So really not much movement, but who from here is going to sell their AMP tokens? Let me know so we kick them out. I'm just kidding. No worries, everyone. We have so many different reasons why you may want to leave or transfer your coins, and that's totally fine. It just does take some time for you to get used to the sideways trading, which is just the same price for a long time. There you go. So to end with ADA and then actually go in full depth with AMP token. How you doing, Harold? Welcome. ADA, because ADA it's powerful right now, and I want to really make my opinions and comments set in stone right now, so you guys know it. Then I'm going to jump to AMP token, then probably to ACH, and then I'll do some questions and answers, and then we wrap up. But everyone, Got a lot of questions when it comes to ADA. I'm going to go ahead and do the 4 hours. There you have it. So at the beginning of July the 20th, we saw the first inbound spike from $1 to $2. You're seeing it right here. It took July the 20th all the way to August the 10th. We were just on the climb, but it was taking a slow time. It wasn't rushing. Then from August 10 to today, which is August the 16 or 15, then that was the spike. And you may wonder why. Well, of course, the Alonso upgrade, everyone. It was announced on the 13th, and then a month after, September 13, Monday, that's when the upgrade is supposed to be launched on the Cardano ADA network. And people ask me all the time, of course, should I supposed to buy before that happens? Well, there's two rules, or one rule that I really like to follow when it comes to stocks and cryptocurrencies. And that rule is buy the rumor, sell the news. Yes, Derek, smart contracts. So right now, the rumor, which is it does follow the rule of buy the rumor, sell the news, but it's not a rumor because it's actually going to happen. There's a high probability that we may find a different sideways or consolidation level once the launch breaks out. What do I mean? They're right about here on September 13. You're seeing this on the screen. I'm going to go ahead and add a vertical line for you to see it better. There you go. So right about here, where you see that vertical line. So what will the price look like from here today all the way to the vertical line, which that's the when Alonso is going to be added? Well, I don't think it's just going to be jumping all the way to $5. I don't think so. That will be great, but I don't think so. I mean, that's just my personal opinion. Number one is because if we go to the year to date, we see that the price of, based on the RSI, everyone is very overbought. Like it's extremely overbought right now, passing to the level of 87 RSI. So that's something huge. I think what may happen is that it's going to drop below the upper band of the RSI on the year-to-date view. Then once it's actually really close, a week or so from the 13, it's going to pick up again. That is what I think is going to happen. What do you guys think? But is Cardano a cryptocurrency to hold like I'm token? Don't even argue that. Like, yes, absolutely. Absolutely. Because you're just seeing right now on Walmart and Amazon that they're trying to hire professionals who are 10 times smarter than yours truly, right? Let's put that really clearly. Those professionals who are going to be hired from on Amazon and Walmart know way more than I know. But if that's just happening in these huge companies that can afford it and that can have the luxury of have these great positions, this is just the beginning, everyone. This is just the beginning. So that's what I feel. That's what I think when it comes to the price of Cardano. Of course, by the end of the year, Cardano, I'm easily looking above $3. $3 double put. So let's go ahead to coin perspective. Right here, I have my coin. There you go. This is my coin perspective, helping you put Cardano in perspective. So you know, I showed you this when I was analyzing Cardano. So if I go ahead and do Cardano's, I'm gonna compare it to Ethereum. The price of Cardano, if I compare Cardano right now to Ethereum, that will be an upside of $454, having a price per one Cardano equal $12. Will that happen in this year? Absolutely not. And please, I hope to be wrong, but I have this idea and it's just not gonna happen. Cannot happen by the end of 2021, right? But I do agree with the new upgrade that is going to be looking like somewhere in the vicinity of $3 to $3 to $5. And there's way more bullish predictions out there for Cardano, but that's what I think, everyone. What do you guys think? Let me go ahead and check out the chat because I've been talking for a while. But yeah, Cardano is a huge one, guys. You don't have to ignore it. I've been posting videos about Cardano, and when I was thinking about Cardano, somewhere around the same time I started talking about Token, I also introduced Cardano to my channel. So it's a good one that I've been telling you for a while. We got Fernando, Dogecoin. Hey, I still have 20K ACH. And when I got it, it was 4 cents, just holding that too. I got 100 Matic to date, but I'll get more if it goes back down. There you go. Matthew, thoughts on AMP? I'm going to be giving all my thoughts coming up very soon after Cardano. Polar Summers, what's up, buddy? What's with AMP super crap mode? It's doing well. Vincent, 6 looks like the low for AMP token. Yeah, I mean, when it comes to AMP token right now, 6 is just the new bottom. Has to be. Scott, hey, how you doing, Scott? Welcome. I can't send any of my AMP token from my Coinbase wallet back to Coinbase account. Can you let me know what's my what am I doing wrong? It's saying something about fee is too high. Okay, I'm gonna cover that, Scott, by the end of the live, so that's a more specific question. But yeah, I think I know what's happening. Cardano's like Bitcoin. There you go. Lol, what happened with smart contract came out for the others, it will hit E5 easy. So yeah, I mean, like I'm saying, people are saying $5. Even Vitalik is saying that no. I was watching a Cardano live stream and they were saying $100 per one Cardano, and that is just obscene, right? But just to give you an idea that my price predictions and what I think Cardano is going to be, typically it's way lower than it actually is. And I like to keep it that way. So I'm saying, and actually have way more profits to enjoy. Yes. Absolutely. But Cardano and AMP have some serious utility long term. I do agree, Cody. I do agree. We may not see it, because this is the thing, right? We may not see it right now. We may not see, when I go back to the Cardano chart right here, we may not see the entire scope of the utility for, let's say, Cardano at this time, because you need to be using the Cardano network to like create dApps. And so when Alonso finally launches, like, I never used Cardano in my life. I'm just buying the cryptocurrency, right, which is ADA. But I hope one day I will, because it just looks really good. Like, for example, last stream I was talking to you guys about XRP and how I'm doing my research with XRP. And in my research with XRP, I found that companies in the financial sector that need to do transactions everywhere, right, overseas, they use the XRP. There's a special. Let me go ahead and just find it for you. Maybe you are a little bit interested in the XRP, but there's one feature that they offer. It's the XRP something. RippleNet. So RippleNet, it's what those companies use a lot to have cross-border transactions, right? I'm not really going to talk too much on XRP because I'm not qualified to. I still need to research a lot, but like, there's companies out there that are actually using XRP, and hopefully one day I also want to be using the cryptocurrencies I buy. That would be really cool, right? But in a way, you don't have to forget about XRP too, because it's just a huge, massive one. I know you cannot buy it at this time, but cannot even tell you, everyone, how many people are extremely bullish on XRP. And I'm going to bring more of that content soon as I get, more ready for it. Javier, guys, look, lottery token, only 1 million supply. That doesn't sound right. Lottery token, there you go. I'm gonna make a token called my Japan. I will have your support, Oscar. Oh boy. Hey Flo, how you doing, buddy? Anchor. Well, we talked about Anchor too. And I'm gonna go ahead and give more updates on Anchor by the end of the live stream. But I know that people buy it and it sounds good. I don't have it in my portfolio because I'm trying, as always, everyone, as you know, to solidify on some of my previous cryptocurrency. That's pretty good. Algo. There you go. So there you have it with ADA, everyone. That's how it looks like. And I'm going to go ahead and use the Fibonacci retracement just to see. Bam, bam. There you have it. So we passed the golden ratio, which is a 61%. Now it's coming back to the golden ratio to between 78% and 61% right here. What I would love to see Cardano is right in between this resistance and support, and then break out higher when Alonso comes. What do you guys think? But yeah, you can easily see how it came back down. It came back up from here all the way here. So this is huge, everyone. And that tells you that cryptocurrency upgrades for projects and blockchains, better said, for blockchains, because remember, Cardano is a blockchain. Like AMP token is not a blockchain, right? So you need to differentiate which cryptocurrencies have a little bit more value proposition, right? They have more utility, and Cardano certainly does, because it can be compared to Ethereum at some point. So it's great. That's Cardano, everyone. Very bullish, very excited. If you don't have Cardano by watching this live stream, well, might want to go ahead and consider it, because it's going to revolutionize a lot of the smart contracts projects that are out there. One, you can do it with Ethereum. Remember, Ethereum is proof of work, but the other one, Cardano, will be proof of stake, and it's just doing well. And I also want to go ahead and investigate more out there for you guys. So that's good. Next, we have AMP Beautiful Token, guys. AMP Beautiful Token. We are reaching AMP token level right now. And, well, I'm going to go ahead and delete these ones, because I've been showing you guys that for a while. I'm going to go ahead and add my MACD. There you have it. And my Bollinger Bands. I'm going to go ahead and delete the EMA. And I'm going to go ahead and add the indicators, BBs. There you have it. Alrighty. So, AMP token. Will XRP be listed on Coinbase Pro? If I'm not mistaken, it should be listed on Coinbase. It's right here. It's on Coinbase. Coinbase Pro, I hope. Once it is, I mean, I'll buy it. It's right here on, where is it? Coinbase. Oh, it's not on Coinbase. My bad. It's not on Coinbase. But let me see. No, it's not on Coinbase. I just remember. Yes. Tradable. All assets. XRP. Here it is. Yeah, it's not tradable. Here's XRP. So once you see it tradable, everyone, you might want to take a look at. Alrighty. So, how are we doing with AMP token, everyone? You guys watched the interview. You guys been watching some of the updates. I updated you this week as far as why the price was, sideways, right? Like, there's a lot of content when it comes to AMP token, and I think the first thing that comes to mind right now is that we were having a discussion earlier this week about the sideways price and the usability of stable coins, and how AMC adopted Bitcoin, right, for ticket sales and so forth. That was going to be helping a lot of AMP token as a whole, and that's true. Eventually, stable coins will become mainstream for the United States. We have Tether, we have USDC, we have, of course, I have all these different types of stable coins. Tether, USDC, we have Gemini dollar, and much more. So for all of those, you need a place so you can trade it. You can buy, you can use it, right? And when it comes to token, I think it's just perfectly positioned for that specific purpose. Right now, token is still working on product development. They're still adding way more things by watching the live streams. And plus, I also want to have people from Flexa come to the channel because I know you guys will like that a lot. I'm doing my best to reach out to them because they don't respond. So it's all right. No worries. Just want to bring the best content possible, even from the experts, right? But so we can all gather even more information as far as the investments we make. But when it comes to the price, everyone, right now, it's just been flat. And that is precious. And to me, a perfect opportunity to start adding more positions. Absolutely. Would, in other words, sell and go to the beach. There you have it. Nobody goes to the movies anymore. Well, some people do go. And behaviors are changing right now, especially, of course, with the pandemic that we're living in. Cardano to the moon, absolutely. Nice. Polar Zombies. I feel like at this point for RAM, we're just waiting for Flexa to announce huge news partnerships or something. I think at this point, having known that this was Coinbase and added a lot of rally, it came back down, and now we're here, it came back down. Ever since the beginning of August, we've been here at 6 cents and really hasn't moved from 6 cents, which that's insane. Like, we haven't seen that for a while on other cryptocurrencies. But let me just remind you guys, it is not the first time that we're seeing this on token. I'm gonna take out the BB, and I'm gonna show you here how on February the 23rd all the way to April the 13th, we were in the same scenario, right? Now, I'm not telling you to buy or sell token or just do whatever. I mean, it's your money. Absolutely, you do whatever you want. For some people, it does not make sense to wait 3 months. Listen to what I'm saying. For some people, it does not make it just doesn't make sense to wait for such a long time to make money, and I respect that. That's totally fine. For other people, we understand that token, it really does look like a really high yield savings account. Let me explain. Because if you have a lot of tokens and you stake token, what do I mean with that? Well, let's go back here. And if we go to capacity, token, let me see, Flexa capacity. There you have it. So if you didn't know, I'm sure that you have heard of this. Staking purposes. Take a look at this. 1.3. Back when token was at around 9 cents or even 10 cents. Of those days, we guys love those days when it comes to token at those prices, right? The price of or the total of this amount was 1.8. I saw it. I remember. Now, because the price is low or is down, well, that's the price right now. When you connect your wallet, you do Coinbase wallet. I'm going to just show you what is the APY they give you, which is about 4. Because it was connected previously, but now it's not anymore. There you have it. It's connecting. Flexa capacity. And it's not. Okay, let me try it again. Typical glitches. Okay, there it is. So, bam, 4.08, everyone. So, if you have 100,000 tokens, which at this point, 100,000, will that be like what? 60,000? .06. you can earn your AMP tokens right here on capacity 4.08 APY. That is fantastic. And that's what I want to do, everyone. That's what I want to do. So like I'm saying, at this point, even if the price of AMP token doesn't move, it is still a good high yield savings account. Just looking from that perspective, it just makes sense to me. But we know that eventually the price of AMP token will rise. And that is great. That is great stuff. I like it. I like it. What are we waiting for? We're waiting for the price to rise. How and why? More utility and more adoption. And I hope no more pumps and dumps, or we don't need any type of Elon Musk to come and save us. That is the reality for AMP token, everyone. What do you guys think? Spellbound, flat is good. If Bitcoin dumps, AMP token is still stable. It's like a bank account that does not lose money but can go up from 0.60. There you have it. So I'm not the only one who says that about the high yield savings account. It does look like one, like it gives you 4% APY. Wow. So my recommendation, and for me, that's for me because I'm not a financial advisor, guys. This is not financial advice. Take a look at the RSI, everyone. Flat. It's medium band level. Love it. MACD, honestly, at this point it's just flat, so it's fine. Boy, this is for me, the best time to pour in, sit back, relax, and put all in staking. And that's what I'm gonna do. As soon as I get my next paycheck, as soon as I get more money, the first thing I'm going to do, because I already have a good amount of ADA, as soon as what I'm going to do, complete my entire AMP token portfolio. As I show you right here, everyone, on my tracker, I have some. I still need to buy approximately, because I have 52,000 AMP tokens on Gemini. So I need about 46,000 more, which that will be around $2,600, $2,800 of AMP token that I need. So then I stake that and let's go back to sleep. So that will be an overall amount of $7,000, everyone, that are just gonna be staked 4% APY per year. I love it. You guys know what I'm saying. That's what I'm telling you. That's what I'm telling you. It's hard to find a cryptocurrency as stable and with the utility of AMP token. That's what I'm saying. And now you know how to stake it, because I also have a video, and I believe in the description I added the video for you, everyone. Polar Zombies, yeah, got a decent amount of AMP, even though it is not pumping. At least I get a decent return from staking. Absolutely, because that's the purpose of this, right? Even I think I'm still trying and getting to know and understanding more AMP token as far as, well, if the price is not rushing and pumping, right? Because have to understand the difference of utility. Cardano is one thing. It's a blockchain, everyone. Cardano is a blockchain, same as Ethereum, same as Bitcoin. AMP token is not a blockchain. It's a collateralized token that helps collateralize transactions that happen on the Flexa network. Totally different things. The more transactions, the more traffic, the more collateralized payments, the better for the cryptocurrency. That's what it is. I am aware, and I will agree, that as Flexa continues their partnerships and adds more utility and more value from for the AMP token and the infrastructure, well, of course, the price should grow. That's what it is. And I mean, guys, if for some reason Flexa decides to open its borders to more countries out there, shut up. Shut up. That's going to be amazing for us. My biggest concern with staking is security, and gas fees can be cheaper. I do agree with that. That's why I haven't staked yet on the Flexa network, because I need to find my entire cryptocurrency AMP token portfolio, like my entire foundation, and I'm going to do it all at once, so I don't have to do it twice. That's why I still haven't done it yet. That's why I still haven't done it yet, because I know the gas fees, and you still don't want you don't want your profits to be eaten by the gas fees, right? Absolutely. Let me actually show you, because I have it right here. Let me actually show you what are the gas fees at this time right now that you guys are watching the live. Let's go ahead and try it, what the gas fees are. I don't have any Cardano, so this is not gonna go through. So let's go ahead and try it. I have 548 AMP tokens. The APY right now is 4.08. Let's see what the gas fees are, and I'm gonna show it to you. It says minor gas fees are high right now. Hope you're able to see that. Let me go ahead and move my YouTube live. So let me see what you guys are seeing. Okay, now I can see it. Okay. No way. Oh boy. Oh boy. What is this garbage? Guys, no way. You are seeing this. Okay, let me say this once again, everyone. Do not stake at this price. What is this thing? $121? No. Okay. I'm happy that I got to do this live. So you're seeing this, everyone. Do not, I repeat, stake AMP token at this price. Please do not put Ethereum for this purpose. It's extremely high. When I did it for my video here on YouTube, it wasn't even close to $100. Please don't do it right now, okay? It's too expensive. It's too expensive. This shouldn't be the price you're supposed to pay. I really, MetaMask was like $7 to $8, and then on Coinbase back in the day was like $20, $15. More than $100, that is obscene. So please don't do that. Wow, that's a lot of money. Oh boy, I'm talking. Come on. So for all of you who are watching, if you want to find the best time, people have told me that during the night is cheaper. Well, here in Texas is 8 p.m. So we're kind of close towards the night. So it's not really cheap right now. But yes, you could try throughout the day and we'll find better rates. Absolutely. Wow. Ethereum is broken. Holy cow. I know. What about Polygon? I'm going to go ahead and respond more questions by the end of the live. Absolutely. Everyone, we have a little bit over 100 people watching. Thank you so much for the support. I'm Oscar Ramos, and we talk about stocks, Roth IRA, and cryptocurrencies in my channel. So please go ahead, like the video, subscribe, and turn on those notification bells as we continue talking about more crypto. Thank you. Thank you very much. Nice. Water break. Beautiful things. So yeah, that was insane, everyone. Do not stake AMP token at that price. That is obscene. And someone posted that picture here on the AMP token group, and I was like, nah, how come? Are you kidding? Is that for reals? Yes, it is for reals. Don't do that, everyone, okay? Don't do it. That's too much money. That's too much money, everyone. Wow. Like, the idea, of course, is to stake our AMP tokens here, but I'm not going to stake at that price. That's obscene. Eventually, I want to stake, but now I have to find a better rate, which I know Ethereum had an upgrade just recently, but it's not really helping us. I thought it was going to help us making transactions cheaper, but it seems that for staking, it wasn't the case. So we'll have to really wait for a good time for us as AMP token stakers, because we want to stake. Absolutely. If you find cheaper options, let us know. Absolutely, please. The gas fees are insane. Yes, I do agree. Absolutely. So once again, everyone, returning just really briefly to the Bitcoin stock to flow model. I'm very happy to see this, how the price is now coming back up to the trend, to this light blue line. And it's just awesome, because this is eventually going to help the entire crypto market. It may not be pumping AMP token the way we want it, because we know AMP token doesn't really follow Bitcoin, but it's fine. As long as Bitcoin is climbing up, I'm happy, because that's Bitcoin climbing up. That's the entire blockchain and cryptocurrency space moving forward. And now if you go ahead and take a look at the cryptocurrency market cap, is 2 trillion. Was 2 trillion when we started the live. Now it's 2.03 trillion. That is incredible. Okay, so that is really what we want to see. Even if you don't invest on Bitcoin, that's exactly what we want to see, guys. Okay. Beautiful stuff, everyone. Beautiful stuff. Oscar, Fatima G, what market cap AMP needs to hit $1? Well, let me give you an idea here. That's a good question. Let me just go ahead and give you your answer right now. So if we want to compare AMP token right now, I'm going to use the Coin Perspective online. It's pretty cool. Highly recommend it. So if we want to compare AMP token to, let's say, Cardano, let's do XRP, let's do Dogecoin. Yes. Let's do, okay, Dogecoin. So if we compare the market cap of AMP token to the market cap of Dogecoin, that will give us for one AMP token, that will be 92 cents, so almost $1, right? So right now the market cap of Dogecoin is 44 billion, and the market cap for AMP token is about 3 billion or so. So that will be the market cap AMP token will need to reach about $45 billion to have the price of $1 per AMP token. Could that happen? Not really not really soon, based on how we're moving, right? We haven't even passed 10 cents, but could totally happen maybe in years from now. Years from now, everyone. Alrighty. So there you have it, everyone. We already explained why it's going sideways. We already explained why will be the reasons to see the price of AMP token reach new highs. What we want to see, of course, is more of this and less of this. More of the purple, less of the red ones. And to see that, everyone, I will agree that at this point, and what I'm going to do, I'm sharing my strategy. My strategy for all my Patreon subscribers and viewers out there is to keep building my stack. Once my stash is ready, and if I see that the staking, okay, I already closed it, but the market Flexa capacity, it's at a good price with the good gas fees, because I'm not gonna even come close with $100+ gas fees. Once I see this is cheap, then I'm gonna go and start staking. If not, it's fine. I leave it on Gemini, and I'm still getting some free AMP tokens, which is no problem. Once I see the price of AMP token of the Ethereum gas fee low, boom, I go ahead and stake. That is my strategy for right now. You and I'm super happy that you and I cannot really manipulate the price of such cryptocurrency. So I'm just gonna leave it at that and just keep it up, everyone. I mean, at this point, it goes all the way to 0.063, 0.067, and then comes back to 6. The beautiful thing that we have seen is that really hasn't gone past to 5 cents. So that is great. I'm gonna do the last minute so you see. Look at the last minute price. Wow. Exactly 6 cents. Hasn't even moved. Exactly 6 cents for AMP token. So that is the best evidence that AMP token is really at this point trading sideways and at a price where you typically want to start buying. Typically. Because now if I go back to my year to date, this is what happened with AMP token. And this was February 2021. And look at what happened with AMP token. So if you're a trader, right? If you have some AMP token positions reserved for trading, buying low, selling high, the horizon seems promising. Alrighty? Alrighty, I'm gonna go ahead and check out the questions right here. We see ETC prediction. Nice. That's Ethereum Classic, right? We'll get to that. Thoughts on the cryptocurrency offering 10% plus RP for staking. Well, I mean, if you have 10% APY for staking, take it. I mean, that's amazing. Where? You let me know so I find it. ADA is still a good buy for this week, or will we see a retracement? iPod, are you planning to trade this one for next week? Because if you are not, then at this time, get in and leave it there sitting. That's what I did back in the day with ADA. I'm going to go ahead and show you. I'm going to go ahead and remove the Fibonacci retracement. I bought my first ADA somewhere around here of May, and I let it go. And now I'm making money finally after 3 months. So why? Because I was in time in the market. I wanted to get time in the market. That's, I think, more important. Just let it sit right and you'll be fine. But if you're trying to make money quickly, then take a look at the RSI. And if I'm going to go ahead and add the MACD for your convenience, everything right now is overbought, as you're seeing on the screen right now. So if you want to make the most money with ADA, wait for it to come back down. Bam. There you have it. IOTX. Sure, let's go ahead and take a look at that. Well, last but not least, everyone, I also want to talk about ACH, because I know I have some audience for ACH too. So in sum, ADA, love it. I have it. AMP token, love it perfectly right now because it's trading sideways. That doesn't really is very attractive for a lot of people. So we're still here. We haven't left the ship. Not really much to do. Same, I had traded AMP to Cardano, then I just bought AMP again today with the profits. There you have it. So that's what I did with ACH spell. I bought some $100 of ACH and then I sold, and then my profits, I bought more AMP token and I kept some ACH. You can do that. That's totally fine. Binance was offering around 50% APR for a moment. What? That is insane. Let me go ahead and tell you this about huge APRs or APYs, because I've heard this from Andre, the cryptocurrency YouTuber. You guys remember the Poly network, 600 million of cryptocurrency stolen. Oftentimes, cryptocurrency brokers that may not be as secure do that to pull more people in. What do I say with this? I'm not saying that Binance is not secure, but what I'm saying is typically the centralized and the more secure brokers out there offer less because they know they're more secure. They're gonna cater to some serious investors that want to stake for the long term. Uniswap or some other decentralized brokers have really high crypto APR for that reason, because they just want to get us, all the people who just want the highest APYs. So be careful with it. I know that's a lot, 50% or 10%. That's huge. So just be on the lookup. Be on the lookup for your AMP token. I know it's just 1%, 1.7% on Gemini, but still to me makes sense. And I know Gemini is one of the most secure ones, so not really have to worry too much about that. But if you find out on Binance, there you go. Go get it. ACH, everyone. Twice we reach 7 cents. Right here, August the 8th, right here, August the 11th, and it's happening once again August the 15th. Like I said back in the day when we were talking about ACH, it's reaching back to the support level. Every time it reaches the support level, it comes back up really speedy, really nicely, comes back up all the way. It did right here at 7, it did right here, and it probably is going to do here. If we see another spike coming up once it touches 7 cents, it's coming close to 7 cents that you're seeing on the screen right now, everyone. I'm gonna go ahead and there you go. Now you see it better. There you have it. It's 0.081. It's coming close to 7 cents. So you need to be looking on that one, on ACH. I do own some ACH, but honestly, I'm more concerned on AMP token, ADA, and Ethereum than ACH. Completely honest with you. So just for your information, ACH looks promising. As we've discussed, they tackle the what AMP token does not. They do more globally. AMP token does Canada and the United States. Alrighty. Danny Chandler, thank you so very much for the second super chat of the live stream. Awesome, my man. Thank you very much. Glad to see you. Welcome back. Thanks, Oscar, for what you're doing. Trying to do the best I can with the boys I have left. It's been a good week, to be honest with you. I started this live stream saying, everyone, that we had a huge week. It's a huge week. I'm going to go back and refresh the cryptocurrency prices. We have 90 people watching. Cheers to all of you guys. We're doing very well. If you're watching the channel and you like this thing, please go ahead, like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on those notifications, guys. We're doing very well. The channel has been growing really fast, and I'm super happy and thankful, to be honest with you. Couldn't do this without you guys, so very happy for this and grateful. So yeah, 7% on Bitcoin, 12% on Ethereum, 23% on BNB, and of course Cardano more than 50%, everyone. What a beauty. XRP 70% and Dogecoin 43%. The large caps are really beating up very nicely. These are large cap cryptocurrency, and we also have some low caps that are doing very well. And sadly, guys, here we are. AMP token only 3% up the last 7 days. Yes, I know. It sucks. We don't like to see it, but whatever. We're still holding. We know AMP token is here to stay. No worries. All is going to be fine. Hey, Richard, thank you so much. Appreciate it. You got to go to sleep now before midnight. Peace out. Bye-bye. Spell. Take it easy. Rob Casa, that's what I've had. ADA, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Algo. Same. Nice. 50K AMP tokens and rising. Got in at 4 cents. That's cool. First name, last name. Like your name, by the way. Alrighty, everyone. So, like we're saying back at the beginning, huge week. Everything's growing. Do not be scared if you see a retracement, like one of you was saying, this coming week. Typically, when we had a good run for the week, I mean, we had a great run right now. Typically, whales want to sell and collect some profits, but it's fine. I'm still holding, not really leaving anytime soon at this time. If you were to select what cryptocurrencies to buy right now, I will buy absolutely a little bit of Alchemy Pay for later. I'm not rushing on Alchemy Pay. I will buy some Alchemy Pay absolutely. Maybe if I had $1,000 right now, I'll put $100 or $200 of Alchemy Pay. I'll put $200 of Cardano. I'll do $300 of AMP token, and the rest Ethereum. There you have it. Just gave you the strategy. There you have it. You always want to have Ethereum, remember. You always want to have Ethereum. And if you have some money left, maybe go wild and buy some other altcoins that you think are extremely risky. But now you already have a good stash of cryptocurrencies that you know are going to make way more sense. Way more sense. Alrighty, everyone. So it's time for the questions. Go ahead and get the questions done. all the questions you have. Let's crack them down so we get ready for an amazing start of the week, Monday, because, I mean, hopefully we have the same type of run in the cryptocurrency space, because we're ready. We have our positions, and we love to make money. Once again, everyone, you're watching this, you like this crypto tracker that I made, well, I'm going to give this out to my Patreon members. If you want to come and support the channel and what we're doing as we grow, there's my link down below for my Patreon and all the different links you guys like and enjoy. There's all down below for your free Bitcoin, stocks, merchandise, and what have you as well. So I'm going to give this to my Patreon members. It's a crypto tracker that I pulled the real-time price from CoinMarketCap here, and I have it nice and nicely. So I have a total of around $13,000 in my cryptocurrency portfolios. Doing well. The best thing, you know what is the best thing when it comes, and like when I see this money, guys, I don't know if it happens to you too, but when I see $13,000, it's like I don't have access to this money. It's my money, but I don't have access to this money. It's like, oh great, more than 10 grand, but I'm not gonna go and sell everything and just buy a new car. No, I'm like, how can I make $13,000 into $100,000, right? Is that just me, or can someone here in the chat can tell me that you guys feel the same way like I feel? I don't see $13,000 and get excited. I need to see more. I want to explode this amount and bam, go wild. That's what I'm trying to say. So crypto tracker, very excited to actually visualize how much I have, but I don't care how much I have. What I want is, let's double it, triple it, 10x now. Let's do it. Let's buy the best position. Let's hold the stake. That's my strategy, guys. So it's not like, oh wait, $13,000, let me cash out right now and buy a new Jeep. No, that's not my mentality. So my mentality, everyone, honestly, to be completely honest with you, is that's so little. I need more. I want more. I want to learn more cryptocurrency knowledge to go the next level, because 13K is nothing. It's peanuts. It's baby steps. Okay. So if you have that mentality, it's going to help you reach the next level. Don't you just see $100 and cash out and like go buy a new Starbucks. No, don't do that. If you're getting something from this channel, is patience is key. God willing, everyone. If I don't buy anything else, if I just stay with this portfolio that you're seeing on your screen right now, I go to sleep and I wake up in 10 years. Yes, that's going to be a long sleep. Do you agree this $13,000 is going to be turning in what? 50K, 100K, 500K? I do agree. I do agree. So $13,000, it's a special number because it's just a symbol of patience, of discipline, of sacrifice. You also have your own $13,000 that may be $100,000, $50,000, $20,000, $1,000, $500, $100, $1. So no matter where you're at in your cryptocurrency journey, that's me. I was there. I'm going to be there soon. We're all in this together, everyone. We're all in this together. Have faith. Don't be discouraged if you don't feel that you're not going anywhere. That's why I'm here to help you out. That's why we have the community. And ideally, by you making the right decisions and by you putting your time out of your day, by learning about cryptocurrency and staying early in all these projects, you're going to get where your goal is. There you go, guys. Thank you so much for hearing what I had to say about my portfolio and my future, because that's the purpose of my channel, sharing my journey. And if somebody is being helped or is learning throughout what I'm saying, well, that's precisely why I'm here. There you go, guys. I'm pretty happy you guys agree, that you understand where we're going here. That is amazing. And my voice is wow. I went to I told my patrons I went to Top Golf, and I was like busting my voice a lot because I mean, when you go to Top Golf, you have a great time, right? So I was like, no, the ball. It's just so funny, Top Golf stuff. Alrighty, everyone. Now, time for questions. Sorry, I just kind of went out talking about the portfolio. Save. There you have it. Put me all the questions, everyone. We have a little bit around 100 people watching. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Please go ahead and like, subscribe the channel so you hear more of the information this coming week. Give me all the questions. I'm here for you guys. We're going to be answering questions and then bouncing. There you go, Rob. Thank you so much for coming. Appreciate it. Duerten, Luis Marroquin. We got all these people, beautiful people. Absolutely, Oscar. Gotta make bank. There you go. Rob Casa. Question before I leave. XOP investment. What is that? XOP. Let me know more in detail what is this, please, so I have a better idea and I know where to find it. Give me more context, please. All right, let me go back from here and say, Luis Marroquin, where do you go to stake AMP token? Luis, very easy. You either go to Gemini or to Flexa capacity. Go to my videos and you will find a video that's called How to Stake AMP Token. Watch it. All the information is there. It's going to help you. If I'm not mistaken, there's a link in the description that says how to stake. Just click the link and you'll be able to watch the video. But just Google it or just go to my videos and that it's going to be there for you. Thank you for your question. That's awesome. Kevin, what's up? If that's your strategy, you should be researching Cardano DeFi projects right now. Absolutely, bro. That's why I have some Cardano coins and money there. But absolutely, I think I know what you're trying to say. And there's going to be projects inside the Cardano network pretty soon. As soon as, of course, they add smart contracts. That's going to be awesome. Duerten, Oscar, ACH, and AMP will both skyrocket. We just have to wait until they use CAS and actually use full potential. Will you agree? Well, I'm going to tell you that ACH already skyrocketed, as I'm going to show you right here. It did with the Coinbase effect. At this point in time, remember that I was telling you that I wasn't really prepared to give you the price prediction for ACH. And I think at this point, I can tell you that it's just getting into a consolidation level of 8 to 7 to 9 cents. So I'm going to hold on my price prediction for ACH. Still not ready because I haven't seen any more uptrend, right? So want to hold it on that. But definitely has a lot of potential. I will agree on that. Great question, Dorten. Aaron, how much AMP do you plan on stacking until you stop 100,000 AMP token? That's my number. I already closed my portfolio, my crypto tracker, but I want to have 100,000 cryptocurrency AMP tokens, then move on to the next thing. I'm looking for 100,000 AMP tokens, like about 10,000 Cardanos, 5 Ethereum, 1 Bitcoin. Just by that, that's more than $100,000. So, guys, I'm telling you this because I know a lot of cryptocurrency investors start with 5 Cardanos or 10 Cardanos and they want to move on to the next thing. And they're starting to build their ACH portfolio and on to the next thing and on to the next thing and on to the next. Like, you don't wait until, like, you're not really building a nice foundation. So when finally the Bitcoin price, Ethereum price, Cardano price, or AMP token price blows up, because the time is there, right? We have to wait and be patient. You're not really taking all the ride for your portfolio because you're just buying crazy things that for the sugar. Typically, because you cannot time the market well, you're gonna be losing money or you won't take the entire jump. So what I'm saying is consolidate your investments, especially in cryptocurrencies, in selected projects. Just show you my crypto tracker. I have Algorand, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, AMP token, and ACH. I believe I'm not missing anything. That's it. I want to add more, but I first want to consolidate, have something sweet and done, and then jump onto the next thing. So that's a great question. Thank you. So that's the price of AMP token, everyone. Oh no, here it is. AMP token. There you go. Next. Canadian Petroleum overseas. Question before I leave. XRP, Canadian Petroleum Overseeing. That looks like stock related. I'm gonna take a look at that one very soon. Rob Casa. That looks good. Say something about ACH, please. Hey, Gabby Trin. Absolutely. So I just talked about ACH right now, and I wanna see ACH hitting 7 cents because it does look like it's gonna continue dropping and then bounce back, because that's what it did right here and right here on August 11 and August 8. Gabby, if it does continue declining, then that support level is broken, and be careful, right? That's why I still have some ACH, but I haven't added yet. Is it a good time to buy ACH? Absolutely. I would agree. If you go back to the year to date, take a look at this. Year to date RSI, it's finally breaking that upper band. Great news. So the price may continue dropping, coming to the lower band or medium band. So be ready for that. But it's finally either consolidating in the 1 month, but in the 1 year, it's already coming back down the RSI. That's great, because guys, I told you, remember, it's gonna be dropping, so be ready. And it's finally happening. Great one. Dennis, what are you thinking about Stellar? Sorry if you have already covered it. It was like I covered Stellar more in detail last stream, but Stellar does look really promising. I don't have it, I don't own it, but I would agree that owning a little bit will be great. That's what I'll tell you about Stellar. But where do you see Dogecoin by the end of the year, Richard? Richard, Dogecoin is one of those that, because the community is so huge, that could really incentivize companies to add it as a form of payment, not because the cryptocurrency adds any utility. It's just because there's so many people already invested into it and it's popular. So a price prediction for Dogecoin by the end of the year, not really into that. I haven't studied Dogecoin in a while. Does look like it's coming up, so I would love to see it above 50 cents for some people who own it. Any thoughts with Litecoin, Andrew? Litecoin is way better when it comes to transactions and speed rather than Bitcoin. People still use Litecoin. I mean, it still is a cryptocurrency that's been used today, but I don't own it. And I don't see many people owning Litecoin because there's better options out there, okay? But it still is a cryptocurrency. Like, if someone will tell you, can I pay you with Litecoin? I will say yes in a heartbeat, right? If they cannot pay me with ADA, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or I will say Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, then, and if they have an option for Litecoin, I will say yes, absolutely. Okay, because Litecoin, it's one of those oldies like Bitcoin. It was invented years ago and still works and follows Bitcoin trend. So it does work still, absolutely. 911 baby gold. Where do you expect I'm talking to reach $1? When? I did that back in the day. I'll go ahead and bring that back in the next live, but we were talking about, right, maybe 2026. 2027. I had a link ready for you guys. I don't know if I closed it. Oh, here it is. Here it is. So for those $1 AMP token, take a look at this. So this is a AMP token price prediction from cryptonewssz.com. And they're saying that AMP price predictions beyond 2025 and AMP price prediction 2025. The functionality behind AMP is carved by masterminds. Over the next 5 years, the token is set to pick up the pace with other cryptocurrencies to arrive at a price of 25 cents. Look at that. So this is a huge bear type of prediction. More people have way better predictions like this when it comes to bullish sentiment, like myself. So $1, I would like to say, let's go ahead and start first getting to 25 cents to 10 cents rather than $1, because now I told you, right, like I mentioned to one of you guys, that if you go to the coin perspective, you compare Dogecoin to the market cap of you compare AMP token to the market cap of Dogecoin, and that's almost $1 per AMP token, right? That's what we all want. That will be amazing. But that's what, around 40 billion, 44 billion. So will that happen? This is cryptocurrency. Anything can happen. But to be honest with you guys, for that to actually occur, there's still a long way to go. Adoption, and more people have to know it, and more companies have to adopt it. Flexa has to be used. So I will chill back, relax. I don't have any rush to get there, but it will be great to see it. But I don't have any rush. Why? Because that allows me to build a more stronger portfolio rather than if it happens right now, I don't have a strong portfolio, I'm missing that opportunity, and then the price comes back down. Things can happen like that. This is cryptocurrency. Alrighty, good one. You said Gemini is a good staking app. Yes, sir. I put is great one because you don't have to pay gas fees. That's what I'm saying. Everyone, you're watching the video, more than 100 people watching. Please go ahead and like the video, subscribe. Can we get 100 likes before we leave the live? I'm going to leave that up to you guys. Thank you so much for the support. Hopefully we can. That'll be really fantastic. First of all, you are awesome. Cardano is going to eventually go to the 10 to 20K range per coin. Wow. Just their use, Cardano alone and ambition is going to push them to live to the level of Bitcoin. So there you have it, everyone. There's Dorten Peterkin saying Cardano is going to be 10 to 20K per coin. Dorten, if that ever happens, which I would agree, in a cryptocurrency world, anything can happen, right? We have to be open to all these type of scenarios. How many millionaires are gonna be created? You guys are watching this live. I have what? Almost 1,000 Cardanos. Assuming I have my calculator right here. Right now, the price of one Cardano is $2. So technically, I have like $2,000 right now, right? Because I have 1,000 Cardano. So if I have 1,000 Cardano times 100, if it gets to $100, that is $100,000, guys. Guys, understand this is so huge. Like, what? That is awesome. Let me just put it this way, guys. What? Actually, this is, I think, a good idea. It's a good example. So listen closely. This is going to blow your mind. If back in 2000, when the internet was mainstream and starting to blow up, remember the dot-com explosion? What if I tell you that besides the internet, dot-com, remember? They would have invented a cryptocurrency called internet. Would you buy it? Would you have bought it back in the day, in the 2000s, when most of you guys weren't even born? I don't know. I'm an oldie. I'm a 90s kid, so yes, I'm old. You see what I'm saying? Like back in the day when the internet was barely booming, guys, anything with internet, like Xbox Live and PlayStation, like PlayStation 2, PlayStation 1, like they were adding some internet features. Remember playing your first, what were like Super Smash Bros? I don't know. Just trying to think some of the games that back in 20 years ago were starting to use internet capabilities. Imagine having a cryptocurrency alongside the internet. So the internet's potential was determining the cryptocurrency price. Oh boy, that cryptocurrency would have skyrocketed by now, of course, yes. Like by now, that cryptocurrency would have 100x easy because the internet potential is so huge and it has brought amazing utility to all of us. Would you agree? So yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. There may be, like Luis is saying right now, there may be an internet crypto. I don't know. I haven't done the research. Well, what I'm trying to say with this example, guys, is Cardano, Ethereum, that are two blockchains that have so much potential. Imagine if something like that happens. Then we could see those huge prices of $100+ because of course some of you are saying 10,000, 20,000 range per coin. That is obscene. I would love that to happen, but that is obscene at this time. Having a crypto market capitalization of 70 billion. So just trying to have some perspective here, but great question, Duarte. Great question. This will happen faster than you think, just like Bitcoin back in the day, Duarte. And I hope you're right, and I tend to agree because, like we are all seeing the internet revolution. The internet revolution really helped everything to actually happen. So, what if we call it the blockchain cryptocurrency revolution? When things are now traded and bought through cryptocurrencies. Imagine in the beautiful position we are gonna be. I'm going to be. Forget it, guys. We're gonna be like, finally we can all retire in 10 years. That's what I want, right? So when I see it, remember my $13,000 portfolio speech, like I wanna 10x, 100x, 100x, whatever. Like, let's go to the moon together, to the moon. Alrighty, just got into this conversation. Woo! I love the way you think, sir. Richard Coppola. Well, that's my channel, Ricky. That's my channel. That's what I think. I still have a lot to do. I still have a lot to read, but from everything that I've gone through so far, that's the way I think. And I've been through stocks, I've been through options, I've been through Roth IRAs and index funds. I like them. You can make tons of money with that, absolutely. But stocks, Roth IRA, and all of that, it's already regulated. It's already, the government already has possession and already has so many laws to it. Good laws and maybe some other not that good laws, but the cryptocurrency is a baby. It's barely starting. They don't even know what it is sometimes, right? They just want defense spending. Remember the example I gave you when there was going to be these cryptocurrencies provision tax that it was going to help the cryptocurrency space and market, but this senator blocked it because he wanted more defense spending. And then Bernie Sanders said, "Oh, you want more defense spending? Then I'm opposed to this," and basically the cryptocurrency provision tax couldn't pass. So now it's just more time taking for us that we want action to be happening for our cryptocurrency space. Typically the boomers, baby. If there's any boomers out there, I love you guys. But I tend to agree that the people in government sometimes are really too old to understand that we need different things. We need fast, we need speed, and cryptocurrency is bringing that, and we want that, but they seem not to care for that sometimes. And well, God willing, you guys are gonna live forever. I mean, for like much longer, but in reality, most of the people in the government are gonna be here for like 10, 20 years plus or max, but we're gonna still be here, and we need to carry all those mistakes and issues that they leave, right? So I hope things change in the future for us. That will be great. Woo, Gustavo, third super chat of the night. Thank you so much, my man. Appreciate it. Cheers to early retirement, Gustavo. Absolutely, my man. Absolutely. Thank you so very much. So that's what I'm saying, everyone. Cryptocurrency's future is bright, and I'm not the only one saying, because there's so many cryptocurrencies out there, channels out there that have even way more bullish sentiments than I have, visions that I have. And wow, what can I tell you is huge. The boomers are the first who lost. Jude, yeah, I mean, that's pretty much what it is. The boomers, bro. They most of the people in government, right? Hopefully we do have some young people, young talent that are looking for us, but most of them already are passing out of age for them to retire and enjoy life. What are the benefits of connecting your wallet to Coinbase, or in case for security reasons? Anthony, well, I'm assuming then that you want to have the Coinbase wallet. Well, you have to, okay, if you want to connect it, it's number one, because for my Coinbase wallet, whatever I have on Coinbase, I can transfer to my wallet for a small fee. And then that you can stake it, for example, with AM token from the Coinbase wallet to the staking capacity. It does charge you a little fee when you want to trade or transfer from your Coinbase account to the wallet. It's not really that much. So I like it. It's less than $10, just to put it that way. Gustavo, I have a half mind to sell my stocks to buy crypto. If crypto has new all-time lows soon, maybe I'll move some. Absolutely. That's one of my mentality too. So you're not alone. I do have some money in stocks, but I see them. I'm getting more familiar to cryptocurrency rather than stocks. I don't see that as a bad thing because I'm really getting comfortable with cryptocurrency. And the most crazy thing, guys, is that I wasn't that person years ago because I was a little bit scared. But I mean, things change. Duarte, what are you doing, Oscar? It's historic. They look on us as pioneers when crypto is it's commonplace. We'll be early crypto millionaires. Most people have no idea what cryptocurrency is. Duarte, I do agree with that 100%. I don't think that what I'm doing is historic, but thank you so very much. Appreciate that compliment. But what I'm doing is just learning a lot and just trying to voice my experience, my journey. What I do agree is there has to be something happening with crypto, either for the good or for the worst. Either the government is gonna be like, people are making too much money, we need to regulate this and or cancel it, whatever is easiest. There's some people who want to do that. I mean, there's people in the government right now who do not like cryptocurrencies. There's also members of the House of Representatives and the Senate that do approve the use of cryptocurrencies. And of course, as we know, the government is now working on the stable coin for the US government. So as well as China already has the digital yuan. So in all, the future is coming very nicely. And for me, I'm going to have my cryptocurrency set in stone on Gemini and Coinbase. Yes, sir. Absolutely. Are you looking in different altcoins? I do. I always have my mind open to different altcoins, but I want to have a good stash first on my Cardano, I'm talking Ethereum, Bitcoin, and then move around. Because if I don't do that, then I feel like I'm incomplete. You know what I'm saying? I need to be complete, everyone. For those who guys are watching, maybe I have new people here. I'm going to go ahead and show you this. This is my crypto tracker. You're seeing right now on the screen, my crypto tracker. So all my Patreon members, everyone, I'm going to give this for them. You have the link down below if you want to talk to me on Discord through my Patreon. That's awesome. So I have $13,000 on my cryptocurrency. And what I was saying earlier in this stream is that I see $13,000 as nothing. These are all my portfolios. All these prices come from my crypto prices, and these prices come from CoinMarketCap. So everything is linked. This is a crypto tracker that I'm going to be using every single time I talk on my lives, so you guys see exactly my positions. And we all have different strategies. Some of them I have them for long term, some of them I have them for staking, some of them I have them for trading. So on my Gemini account, I'm talking for staking, but on Coinbase I'm talking for trading. So if I'm talking goes all the way up, then I can sell and then I can buy when it's back down. So you see, different portfolios, different strategies, one same goal: making a lot of money. Making a lot of money, everyone. Also, I want to show you the Etherscan for AMP token. It's growing, everyone. It's growing to 35,000 holders. Wow. So the beginning of August, it was at 32,000. Now we are at 35,000, everyone. So that's pretty good. That's really nice. All right. That is really nice. Holders looking good. So ideally, the number is going to keep growing, even though, everyone, this is, I think, one of the beautiful things about AMP token. Even though the price hasn't risen since the start of the month, look at the holders. Still growing. Even at the beginning of the month, still growing. That tells you a lot about the coin. Just saying, these are the numbers speaking, not me. Got it? Going back to Coinbase, everyone. This is what we look at right now. Cardano, 2.17, beautiful price. Ethereum, more than $3,000. Bitcoin, $47,000. Can you believe this price? Bitcoin, everyone. Wow. Last week, 8%. 1 month, 50%. 1 year, 300%. 24 hours, almost 1%. And 1 hour, 11%. Bitcoin is doing well, everyone. Absolutely. Ethereum doing well. Cardano doing well. Very exciting times to be in cryptocurrency, as you're seeing on the thumbnail. Huge week, and as we get really close to the end, guys, let's go ahead and start posting where you guys are watching from. I love when we have this train of people coming from all over. So where are you watching the live right now this night at 9 p.m. Central Time? Everyone, let's see where my people from New Jersey, New York, Europe, Australia. We got people from all over, Puerto Rico even. Where you guys are watching from. Jude Ball, you're being honest on what you have. Never seen this. Honesty is more trustworthy. Thank you so very much, Jude. I appreciate that a lot. Long Island, New York, Richard. There you go, my man. Welcome to the live. Connecticut, Massachusetts border. Hey, that's so cool. I want to go to Connecticut pretty soon. That's a beautiful place. It's cold, and you guys have MIT and Harvard. You're super smart. Connecticut, Florida, Dubai, show off. That's incredible. Well, say hi to the Dubai people. That's great. I also want to go to Dubai, maybe take my girlfriend. I don't know, one day. Boston, Massachusetts. That's incredible. Nice. That's great. Nice. Portland, Oregon. There you go. Long Island, New York. That's amazing. Massachusetts, Georgia, Ohio, Sacramento, California. Nice. My man, Pablo Bonfire. There you go, everyone. Richard, Sacramento, Ohio. Well, everyone, if anyone is from the awesome state of Texas, baby, we're down here. It's hot most of the time, but we love it. People love us. We have Austin, Texas. We have Houston, Dallas, El Paso, and much more. And we have also Elon Musk, Tesla, and SpaceX. So, Tesla for the win. Delaware, Hawaii, Virginia, Michigan, where Madonna is from. That's awesome. Texas is gorgeous. It is, my man. It is. It is absolutely. Everyone, can we get to 100 likes before we leave? That'll be amazing. If not, it's all right. We did an amazing time today on the live stream. I just want to say thank you so very much for the support, the kind words. We've been going really nicely and fast on the channel. And for this coming week, more videos, more updates, and more reactions will be here. We want to, of course, see what happens with Token. As soon as Token goes past 7 cents, you're going to see me on YouTube. You're going to see me here posting because I'm excited. Finally, the time to reach those 100,000 tokens before it's too late. Stake it, and that's it. On to the next token. And later, when I'm finally ready with my maybe 10,000 Cardanos, 100,000 tokens, 5 Ethereum, and 1 Bitcoin, I will come back to token and start from 100,000 to maybe 200,000 tokens, because that will be delicious. By then, I'm pretty happy that the price of token will be higher, and we're all gonna be making tons of money, everyone. Tons of money. Quicksab is gonna explode. Nice. Texas has it all. I know Texas is beautiful. You guys are more than welcome to come to Texas. That is an incredible place to be. And for cryptocurrencies purposes, well, I mean, you know, Bitcoin and Ethereum at this time, they need proof of work. So a lot of energy, and Texas can help with the energy. That I can tell you. Once again, everyone, market cap, we need the price, or we need the market cap of Dogecoin to have a price of close to $1. Will that happen? We'll just have to wait and stay here to find out. Coinbase is doing well. Etherscan is doing well when it comes to token. It's growing, it's fast at a good pace. Price predictions are doing good. Do not, once again, if you've been watching ever since I said this, if you check the price to stake I'm talking right now is huge, so be careful with that. It was $120 plus when I try to stake here live, so you might want to wait when it's cheaper, right? Don't rush on this one, because once you stake, well, you of course want to let it sit for a long time. You don't want to rush it, so think about that absolutely. And the prices, once again, ADA doing really nice. Everything looks super overbought as you're seeing on the screen. So if you are one of those good long-term holders, don't worry the price you're buying, because this is a cryptocurrency that is going to continue rising and doing very well. If you're a trader, you might want to wait for it to drop below the RSI. That'll be my best recommendation. Will Cardano drop? A huge yes. Absolutely, it's going to drop. It has to drop. But finally, when it does, that'll be a great scenario. Just take a look at the RSI and the MACD, guys. Everything is overbought. But with this 1 month that we have left for the Alonso upgrade, could it still grow and continue moving up? Yes, I mean, based on what we're looking at. There's always a chance for the cryptocurrencies to drop, but as one friend told me, timing the market is much harder than time in the market. So if you like to have time in the market, not worry about the difficulties of volatility, just put in your cryptocurrency money, work for you. That's even better, everyone. That's even better. For the long term, absolutely. Polygon Matic. People have been telling me a lot about Polygon Matic, guys. I highly love it. It's a good one. I don't have positions, but Polygon Matic is doing well. Go ahead and check it for you. Matic. There it is. It's going to be, if I'm not mistaken, this one. Here it is. $1.48. Here's Matic. Matic Network. Let me just go ahead and check. Polygon, here it is, 148, there it is. Here's Polygon Matic. It's been growing very fast from 69 cents on July the 1st all the way to $1.45. Look at the RSI, guys. Take a look at this. So it's right touching the upper band. Great cryptocurrency, to be honest with you. Just take a look at this deep dive. Now it's coming back. So definitely a cryptocurrency to pick. Just a few ones in my case, but if you guys are already long-term holders, that of course makes total sense. Oh wow, we reached 92 likes, guys. You did it. That's awesome. Maybe very difficult to get 8 more likes, but that's totally fine. I think we did it, and I just want to say thank you guys for tonight. It was awesome. We got great people here. I want to say thank you guys. So once again, I'm going to go ahead and show you this. For those who are watching, there's the links. There you have it. So Crypto Tracker coming to all my patrons. Patreon page is down in the description below, and this is what you're going to see, the investor membership. Here are all the perks for you waiting, and I thank you in advance if you're considering that. Absolutely. Oh, we already passed 100 likes. Thank you guys, you're awesome. Honestly, you guys are the best. And here's my merchandise store. Link down below as well. We got some ad token, beautiful swag, and some channel swag at your convenience. It's all right there, everyone. You want to, of course, make free money in Bitcoin. The links are down there. If you don't have any Coinbase account or a Gemini account, all the links are there for your convenience. But we did it, 100. Yeah, you guys did it. You guys did it. You are the MVPs on this occasion. And of course, you want to become an awesome VIP member here on the live. Well, you right next to your subscribe button, there should be a join. Check the opportunity there, of course, and support the channel. I'm not leaving the space. I'm not leaving YouTube. Of course, my goal, if you're watching this, is to reach a level of Matt Course, reach a level of Altcoin Daily, BitBoy Crypto. You see, guys, from my accent, I speak Spanish too, right? So most people tell me to open a Spanish account, a Spanish channel. And yes, I want to do that, but not right now. I want to wait still to grow more, to have more audience, to learn more. And ideally, one day, I'll actually have that opportunity for people to listen to me in Spanish and to open that to a more broader generation of investors. Because the more people invest, the better, and more people make more money. That's the idea for this channel, everyone. So, we did it. Everyone's doing very well. Let's go ahead and receive the new week with open arms. I wish you the best because fall semester is coming. If you guys have kids or you have friends going to school, get ready for them because tomorrow all the kids are going back to school. So that's awesome. Anyhow, guys, thank you. Thank you so very much for coming. Thank you, Mayor, for the super chat, the 4th super chat of the night. That's incredible. Appreciate that a lot, my man. Thank you so very much. Ooh, yes, we need my boys. That's true. It's time for us to rest and enjoy the night. Guys, thank you so much for all the support. And there's all the links down below. If you guys have any questions, let me know, please. And I hope that I answer your question on this night. If not, hopefully Tuesday and Thursday and Saturday or Sunday, we'll have more lives for you. Just stay tuned and turn on those notifications. If you have a question, you'll never miss an update. I'll see you next time, everyone. Take it easy, guys. Peace. Have a good one, everyone. Thank you so very much. A lot of Mexicans I know are skeptical about crypto. They don't want to hear it when you talk to them. Well, Thirsty, I'm going to convince them because I'm a Mexican too. And I have that special touch, God willing. But thank you. Yeah, I know what you're saying, my man. I know what you're saying. Have a good one, guys. Thank you so very much. Enjoy, everyone. Thank you so very much for watching. Appreciate all the support. Thank you for all the super chats. And we'll see you very soon tomorrow. There's going to be a lot of updates. Hopefully more running. Yes, we want to make more money. Take it easy, guys. Peace. God bless.